Hi, today we're going to have a look at three new MySQL functions. First one will be date underscore add, second one will be date underscore sub, and the third one will be date diff. Let's have a look at our table structure first. As you can see, I'm still using our books table. I've just added the date column to it, which contains some MySQL formatted date, which is basically year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. So if we go to our query window, and we're going to start with our first function, which is called date add. We're going to start with a select. First of all, we're going to select the date from the table. Then we're going to use our date add function, so date underscore add. We're going to use our date value and then interval. And we want, let's say, to add 1 month to it. And we're going to save it as date added. Then we obviously need to indicate from what table we want to get this data. So it's from books, and where ID of the record equals 1. Let's look at just one record. So if you run the query, you can see we've got our date, which is associated with the record, and then we have date, which is 1 month later. Basically, we adding using date add, we adding the specific interval and the value, which is basically month, minute, second, year, or whatever else. And I'm going to show you later on a few other examples. As you can see, we've added 1 month. So we've got we've got 1st of February 2011. After we've added 1 month to it, we have 1st of March 2011. Now let's see what's going to happen if we add 12 months, let's say, and click on Run Query. As you can see, we've got 1st of February and 1st of February, only this time we are 1 year further. We've got 2012 rather than 2011. If we try the same thing with minutes, for instance, the keyword will be minute. And now if we run the query, we have 12 minutes later. So we've got 01:12 and 12 seconds passed. Then we have 01:24, which is 12 minutes later, and 12 seconds passed. So as you can see, using date add, you can add minutes, obviously seconds as well. So if we use second now, and if we run this query, you can see we've got the time, which is obviously further 12 seconds. We can also use week keyword, and let's put 1 week only here just to check it. Run query, and there we go. First has now become 8th. So obviously that's how it works. Let's move to the next video where we're looking at date sub function.